So I decided on a whim, before all the snow is gone off of Etna, to bring the dog down to this, or up to the southwest side and go for a hike. So far from over here, this is as close as I can get. I had to park the car back at the point of preparation near a picnic area called Piano Mirio. I decided to take this path because it's continuing to ascend and it is going through a deep, dark, dense part of the woods that I find most intriguing. Supposedly they find truffles out here in these woods. I wish that Gordy could find me some truffles, yeah? I like me some truffles. Can you do truffles, Gordy? Huh? Well, that would be a good spot for them right there on the pine tree root. The nerve-wracking thing about coming in here, one, I've never hiked this section before, and there's not just one path. There's a bunch of little crisscrossing networks of path. So I'm doing my best to stay on the same one. It's probably a good thing I geo-pointed the car. I guess I shouldn't worry too much. There's a wall right over there. So I think there is a road or a larger path. I'm just about maybe 30 meters off to my left. I don't think I'll get lost. Confidence restored. Andiamo. This was kind of a neat little passage here. These mossy boulders. Oh, looks like something lives down in there. So we ended up back on the main trail anyway. I decided it was safer than following the ravine. down, help me get oriented. This is where we came from, and I have the option to go that way or that way. They may converge. I'm going to go ahead and skip over to this one. It seems to go more straight up. Oh, I'm actually not that far from the edge of the forest. At least I think so. From the drone perspective, it didn't seem that far. We can go over here. This trail, breathing heavy makes it hard to talk. This trail looks a little less used, but not to worry. The road is literally right there. It's just a little more interesting walking over here. And the road has a lot of down trees in it. We didn't make it all the way to the top. The trails just kind of petered out, and I'm getting tired. So we made it back to our mossy rocks, and we're on our way down. And we're more or less taking the same trail that we took here. I think Gordy prefers the bike trail because it's a bit straighter than the road. And frankly, it's a little easier. The road winds a lot, and it's got a lot of detritus on it. Detritus? Detritus? How do you pronounce that word? I expected there to be more runoff, but maybe I missed it already. You gotta look at these woods. They're magical. Wait, I think I see a unicorn. Oh, it's a golden retriever. Almost a unicorn. Sorry, I can't walk even quieter. Even when I walk on the bare earth, it's crunchy because it's little lava.